is a manual vacuum that is used to vacuum spas. Okay, this involves no electricity. You don't need to hook it up to anything. I'm going to show you how to do it actually through some, this is obviously not a spa, it's a pool, but the same concept applies. And there's a small chamber where all the dirt's gonna, collect. So I'm going to show you how to use it, then I'm going to show you how to take it apart and clean it. And I'll have a link in the description for it. So if you want to vacuum your own spa, this is what you'll need. Okay, so you have to submerge the entire thing underwater until the bubbles come up. So just keep it underground on both ends. Okay, that's about it. Okay, so now you basically, a little bit more bubbles coming out. So you basically primed it. All right, now I threw some dirt in here for a demonstration. Now once it's primed, you can get this part out of the pool because this whole tube is filled up with water. All right, and show this part. All right, as I'm pulling right now, whatever I'm going to go over is actually sucking, and then that's how I recharge it. Okay, so get a dirt pile. Now show it back over here. See, as I'm sucking, I'm moving this and I'm pulling all the debris in. It's locked out. Don't move it. Back in, and now I can move it again. Okay, that's basically it. Let's get a little bit deeper over here. Actually, you know what? Let's go to the deep end. And I could pull this very slowly as I'm moving it. It's just a manual suction. Then I gotta reprime it. And this is made for debris, not big particles, but again, this is really for a spa. So if you got a spa, this is the perfect thing. Let's get this up there. Okay, and it does the job. Okay, so this bottom section right here, everything's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So the whole chamber comes out, and all the debris is stuck in here. And again, this part, make sure it's good. I'm going to twist this lefty-loosey. Boom, all the junk came in. That's everything that was in here. So now you want to give this a good, just a little hose down. Hose this tip, get the inside. That's it. That's really that simple. Then you'll put this back in, and there's grooves that'll lock it in place. So seat it righty-tighty, and now I can't take it off. So lefty-loosey comes off, righty-tighty, locks it into place, and same concept here. Righty-tighty. That's it. Now it's locked into place. That's it. So I'll leave a link to this. This is a manual vacuum. Doesn't require batteries, electricity, anything like that. It's not really made for a pool, but I needed to use the pool for demonstration purposes. But this is really the best thing to vacuum your spa. Again, there's a little chamber in here. Lefty-loosey, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Right, there we go, righty-tighty. See you on the next one.